How dialectical behavior therapy helps. At Pathways Counseling Services, we offer evidence-based dialectical behavior therapy, or DBT, groups and individual sessions in Scottsdale, Arizona, and throughout the Phoenix metro area. Whether you're struggling with overwhelming emotions, anxiety, depression, or self-harm urges, our Scottsdale DBT specialists can help you learn skills in mindfulness, distress tolerance, emotion regulation, and interpersonal effectiveness. Have you ever found yourself reacting impulsively, shutting down in conflict, or feeling completely overwhelmed by your emotions? You're not alone, and you don't need a formal mental health diagnosis to want better tools for emotional regulation, communication, or stress management. Our DBT skills group at Pathways Counseling Services is here to help. Dialectical behavior therapy has been designed to help people cope with intense emotions, but today it's so much more than that. At Pathways Counseling Services in Scottsdale, Arizona, we offer a DBT adult group for anyone looking to build healthy coping strategies, improve relationships, and develop emotional resilience. Whether you're navigating a difficult season, feeling burned out, or just want to feel more in control of your inner world, DBT may be exactly what you need. What is DBT? Dialectical behavior therapy is an evidence-based mental health treatment that combines cognitive behavioral techniques with mindfulness practices. Cleveland Clinic describes DBT as a type of talk therapy for people who experience emotions very intensely. Developed by psychologist Dr. Marsha Linehan in the late 1980s, DBT was originally created to support individuals who experience chronic suicidal thoughts and emotional dysregulations, particularly those with borderline personality disorder, or BPD. But over time, research has shown that DBT skills can benefit a whole range of people, not just those with a formal diagnosis. Today, it is widely used for anxiety, depression, trauma recovery, relationships issues, addiction, and more. So what does DBT teach? It teaches you how to handle tough moments without spiraling, express yourself clearly and effectively, cope with emotional distress without self-destructive behaviors, and build a life that feels more balanced and fulfilling. Do I need DBT therapy in Scottsdale and Phoenix? You do not need a formal diagnosis to start DBT in Scottsdale. We welcome people who are suffering from anxiety, depression, eating disorders, or who simply want to learn more effective ways of coping. If you struggle with intense emotions or find yourself burning out quickly, our Phoenix DBT counseling groups may be a great fit. While DBT was designed to support people experiencing intense and chronic distress, it's now used by people from all walks of life, including those who don't meet criteria for any specific diagnosis. Many adults have joined our DBT groups because they struggle with emotional outbursts or shutting down, they feel overwhelmed in relationships, they want to reduce stress or anxiety, they have a hard time saying no or asking for what they need, they experience burnout, people-pleasing, or perfectionism, are navigating a big life transition and need better coping tools. You do not need to be in crisis to benefit from DBT. All you need is a willingness to learn new skills, reflect honestly, and practice small changes over time. What are the foundations of DBT? They're mindfulness, distress tolerance, emotion regulation, and interpersonal effectiveness. DBT is built around 4 core modules, and in our DBT group, each 7-week group focuses on a core module. Each of these modules introduce skills that are simple in theory, but deeply powerful when practiced consistently. These are life skills that many of us were never taught, but all of us need. Let's cover the 4 modules. Number 1, mindfulness. This is the foundation of DBT. Mindfulness helps you notice your thoughts, feelings, and body sensations without immediately reacting. You learn to pause before you speak or act, especially in moments that are emotionally charged. By using DBT, you will use mindfulness to respond with intention instead of yelling when you're frustrated or freezing up during conflict. Number 2, distress tolerance. We know it, you know it. Life is hard. Distress tolerance gives you tools to survive emotional pain without making things worse. These skills help you ride out emotional waves, reduce impulsivity, and ground yourself during high-stress situations. By using DBT, rather than reaching for substances, numbing behaviors, or lashing out, you learn to soothe yourself in safe and healthy ways. Number 3, emotion regulation. This module helps you understand and influence your emotional responses. You'll learn how to reduce emotional vulnerability, track emotional patterns, and take proactive steps to feel more balanced. By using DBT, you will begin to feel more in control of your moods instead of being swept away by them. Number 4, interpersonal effectiveness. This part of DBT helps you communicate assertively, set boundaries, and maintain self-respect in relationships. You'll learn how to ask for what you need without guilt and how to say no without shutting people out. By using DBT, you will stop second-guessing your worth or avoiding hard conversations and start navigating relationships with confidence. What happens in our DBT group? At Pathways Counseling Services, our adult DBT group is a supportive, skills-focused environment led by licensed trauma-informed therapists. We keep our group size small so that participants can feel safe and seen without pressure to share personal details unless they choose to. Each DBT group session includes a check-in and space to ask questions, reflect on your use of DBT skills in the past week, teaching of a new DBT skill, practice exercises or real-life examples, and optional between sessions, reflection or worksheets. The goal is to help you learn, apply, and integrate DBT skills into your everyday life. Whether you're in therapy already or not, this group is designed to help support you through your personal growth in a tangible and grounded way. You can visit our website, Pathways Counseling Services, to join our DBT group. Remember, there are limited spots available. And here's the thing, DBT works. Backed by research, DBT is one of the most thoroughly researched therapies in the field. It's been shown to be effective in reducing self-harm, suicidal ideation, depression, anxiety, and PTSD symptoms. It's also proven helpful in supporting people with ADHD, substance use disorders, and emotional dysregulation. Some key findings. DBT significantly reduces suicidal behavior and hospitalization rates. DBT improves emotional regulation in adults with anxiety and mood disorders. Mindfulness and distress tolerance skills in DBT help reduce symptoms of PTSD. Even if you don't have a diagnosis, learning DBT skills can make daily life easier, especially in relationships or high-stress situations. DBT in real life. Let's talk about 2 case examples. Case 1, Olivia, 34, too sensitive and burned out. Olivia came to the group feeling overwhelmed by work and family dynamics. She described herself as too emotional and often broke down in tears or felt panic when criticized. Through DBT, Olivia learned mindfulness and emotion regulation skills that helped her stay calm during tough conversations. She now sets clearer boundaries and feels more confident in her ability to handle feedback. Case 2, Marcus, 41, shut down in conflict. Marcus joined the group after recognizing a pattern in his relationships, shutting down when things got hard. His partner often accused him of being distant, which made him withdraw even more. DBT helped him identify his emotional triggers, practice distress tolerance, and learn how to express himself using his interpersonal effectiveness tools. His relationship has since improved, and so has his self-trust. Common DBT misunderstandings. Myth: DBT is only for people with borderline personality disorder. Truth: DBT was developed for BPD, but is now also used to help people with anxiety, trauma, stress, and more, diagnosed or not. Myth: DBT groups are intense or only for people in crisis. Truth: our DBT group is skills-based and low pressure. It's ideal for anyone looking to grow, even if they're doing relatively well. Myth: DBT is a lot of talk and not much action. Truth: a lot of people think DBT is just talk therapy, but we are here to tell you it's actually very hands-on. You will leave our group sessions with tools you can practice right away. Our licensed DBT specialists have decades of combined experience serving the Phoenix Metro mental health community. You can visit our website at pathwayscounselingservices.com to see full profiles and credentials for our Scottsdale DBT counseling team. How our Pathways DBT group can help you. In our group, you'll build real-life coping skills that help you feel more in control of your emotions, communicate your needs with less fear or guilt, and set healthy boundaries without damaging your relationships. You'll also learn tools to reduce stress, manage anxiety, and respond to emotional triggers with more calm and confidence, all within a supportive, judgment-free space. Our adult Dialectical Behavior Therapy group meets weekly in Scottsdale with both in-person and hybrid options available. You'll leave each session with a new tool and the support to practice it. When you're ready to learn new tools and create meaningful change on your terms, we're here for you. You don't have to figure it all out alone. At Pathways, we're here to walk beside you every step of the way. Ready to join the group? Visit our website to click to join our DBT group. There are limited spots available. Or you can call 480-613-8530 to sign up and reserve your spot. Pathways Counseling Services is located in Scottsdale, Arizona. You can visit our website at pathwayscounselingservices.com. That's pathwayscounseling, SVCS.com.